Little brother George. This is Mummy Pig. And this is Daddy Pig. Peppa Pig. Pancakes!
It is tea time. And Mummy Pig has a surprise for everyone.
I love pancakes.
Everyone loves.
I'm the expert at flipping the pancakes over. Leave that to me.
Are you sure, Daddy Pig? Last time you got a bit grumpy when you dropped the pancake on the floor.
I did not get grumpy.
I did not get grumpy.
There was a problem with the frying pan. I did not get grumpy.
Mummy, can we help make the pancake?
I did not get grumpy.
Yes, you can help me make the batter. First,
Ooh.
Now I put some flour in the bowl. Add an egg. Now the milk. And I give it all a stir.
Mummy, can I stir?
Yes, of course, Peppa. Put some flour in the bowl.
Peppa loves stirring. George wants to stir as well.
Oh, George, like this.
Enough stirring. You two sit at the table while I cook the pancakes.
Mummy Pig is going to flip the pancake over.
Hooray!
You could flip it higher, Mummy Pig.
You can show us how when you flip your own pancake, Daddy Pig.
This first pancake is for George.
Mummy Pig pours a little
Syrup on George's pancake. Delicious. Yes. This pancake is for Peppa.
Hooray!
When you flip your own pancake, Daddy Pig.
Syrup, please.
Delicious.
This pancake is for Mummy Pig.
Hooray!
You still aren't flipping them high enough, Mummy Pig.
The next pancake is yours, Daddy Pig.
You still aren't flipping them high enough, Mummy Pig.
So now you can show us how it should be done. Delicious.
Is everyone watching?
You still aren't flipping them high enough, Mummy Pig.
The secret of making a good pancake. 1, 2, 3. Whoopla!
Silly Daddy.
Oh, maybe that was just a bit too high.
Let's go upstairs, children. This way.
What is Mummy Pig planning to do?
On the count of 3, we all have to start. 1, 2, 3, jump!
What are they doing?
It worked! Now Daddy Pig has his pancake.
Daddy has a pancake on his head.
Syrup on your pancake, Daddy Pig.
Yes, please. 1, 2, 3. Delicious.
But dude, I think it worked.